RT-AC56U Router, 3x3 solution. This one's been out for a while now. So what we're really showing here on top of that and focusing on AC technology in general is going to be our follow-up to the N56 router, which I believe you guys have just recently reviewed. This is going to be the follow-up, the AC variant, and this will be out sometime in Q2, I believe. So as opposed to the 3x3 solutions, since this one's going to be in a different market segment, this one's a 2x2, which on AC can still be quite fast. Over here on the far end of the table, we have our PCE-AC66 card, PCI-E based card, 3x3 solution. This is what's going to be used in the demo along with that RT-AC66U in the next room over there. This little device you'll also see in the demo. This is our WL-330NUL. This is like an all-in-one USB adapter. So these, you've maybe seen similar ones, similar shapes and sizes that are basically like a USB adapter. Plug the Ethernet cable in, plug it into USB, now your Ultrabook has an Ethernet connection. This not only does that, but it can also work as a Wi-Fi adapter. It can also connect to an SSID and then rebroadcast that connection under a different SSID, as well as creating a guest SSID.
Oh, okay.
So it gives you a whole host of possibilities. So I was joking a little bit earlier, maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago, but if we had these ready, I wanted to send these out to all the media for their trip out here to Vegas. Yeah, well, if you're staying in a hotel, you're going to pay for internet, maybe you guys are close rooms or sharing a room, you can just get one internet connection and then rebroadcast that and share it between the whole family or friends or whatever it ends up being. This is our RP-N53 Range Extender, exactly what the name says. That's what it does. What's a little bit unique about this is its ability to do concurrent bands. So I can actually take a 2.4 gigahertz signal, repeat it onto 2.4 and 5 gigahertz bands.
Oh, okay.
And so both band clients can connect to it, and then that'll go back to the base router. And it has a night light, and it'll also have music capabilities. Through DLNA, you'll be able to control music. So that's different rooms and has perfect for your kids' rooms. This kind of follows our kind of updating of products. We have a USB-N53 N-based solution, which is dual band. This is our AC solution. This will actually come with a little clip mount, so you can get it up, so you can mount it up onto the back of your laptop or monitor, as well as a desktop mount, so that you can kind of place it optimally for signal. And then here is our 3x3 based USB solution. It's got an orthogonal design with a high power mode. These are really good for catching signals at great distances. Need an upgrade to the AC66U that we have out there. 3x3 solution based on the brand new Broadcom chipset. It runs at 800 megahertz. We're going to have an even faster mode running at 1000 megahertz because the AC speeds at the very top end are actually going to be limited by processing power. So you're going to see some of the fastest AC speeds that you will ever see once this comes out. And people are putting it through its paces. Not only that, but the USB performance on a lot of routers has traditionally been pretty low read-write speeds, also because of the processing power available to it. This new chipset's going to change that, and you're going to start to get some really good speeds out of USB-attached storage or other devices.
Not that you would store data on an SSD, but in theory, plug a flash drive into it or something.
Yeah, you can put a flash drive into it. We have like AiCloud features. If you have a flash drive in the router, or the AiCloud will actually wake your PCs from sleep too if you want. You'll be able to access that data from anywhere on iPhone, Android, Windows desktop. You have an SSD attached to the router, specifically for that purpose.
Well, you can really test the speed potential of that at least.
Yeah.
You know.
So you can see here.
I mean, personally, I would not have an SSD hooked up to it because if they blow up,
N66U.
bad.
And here's my 120 gigs out of 6 SSD. And it's loaded up with a bunch of sample materials. I was hoping that the Wi-Fi connection here would be a little bit better. If you have an even decent Wi-Fi connection, you can easily stream video or audio or whatever you want. So a bunch of sample video and audio files. AiCloud will also open up PDF, Word, Excel, with its own built-in viewer, so you don't have to worry about that. You can access all those types of documents as well.
Note 2.